So onwe ya na-agwa lile ndị batasi ego mmụọ for no more you do no be person go teach you this thing, no be person go teach you, because everybody's more they and their relationship with them more they different, right? So say at the start you just simply tell them, Ezume, come and join me, let's commune. Ezume, bian, I go for Ezume, bian, I go more. They will come, they hear you, they're already with you, they just want you to acknowledge them. I like to use this politics reference a lot, or politics comparison a lot. Say Igommo is spirit politics. So your people are there already. Just call them, say you be their representative, right? You dey important to them. They want make you know be ofeke. They want make you dey grounded, make you dey strong. Just like the prodigal son, right? If you come back, they go come back for you. They go accept you. But if you never do anything with your mom before, or you don't they ignore them for a long time, the first thing you guys do first now actually is well. You guys carry egg and oil and salt, or just egg, right? But egg and oil and salt, because you get talk where you go and talk, saying take this egg and use this salt and oil. Which is a very immiscible. I'll be waiting. So carry the egg and zegodi, because say these people are your political allies, right? You are still using the political allies. Amadalo. Udo Dionne. Adamoma. How market? Dalo. So say they are political allies, right? You imagine you've ignored your allies. Imagine you've ignored your allies this entire time, and you suddenly want to align with them. They no go just trust you now, say you want to feed them. So you guys first appease them, settle them, tell them say you carry good intention, so that you know go poison person where you want to feed. So you know go just go rush, start to give orgy or something like that when that's your first time. Mama, they come circling back, then slowly you learn that your core more are your ndimbo na ndiegede. That's your ancestors and the guardian spirits who taught them the things they know. Nkanozo, they say around milli. Look at Dubai, they tried to do it around milli the other day and they became so flooded, but our ancestors have been doing it for ages, right? So in our spirits teach them those sciences where they savvy. Now them been there, they taught them to be spiritual and environmental friendly, right? Then you learn about your chi, your guardian spirit, your guardian angel, right? Your personal guardian angel. Then your Miri, then your Agu, then your Ndiotu, that is your sect, right? Call these guys to come and align with you, to teach you, right? That's the basic. Then slowly you will learn that Ori is water element, Afo is Ani, right? Afo is Ani, earth element. Mpo is air element, wind. So the airbenders, right? Then Eke is fire, the sun, Anyang element. So it's interesting, the avatar analogy of the last airbender, where he had to combine all the elements. Yeah, Mapawa, when we fed in here. Ijem mob region did so Jisika. Check my pin post for my latest offer, and thanks for streaming audio to me. Mom.